How's everybody doing? My name is Nick here at the Used Car Factory, Mechanicsville, Maryland. And today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful white 2015 Dodge Durango Citadel. This vehicle has tons and tons of features that I want to show you on the inside, so follow me. First thing I want to point out is this vehicle does have memory seats. So the benefit of that is if you or somebody else was driving your vehicle, you can set the seat to your own standards, to how you like to feel and what makes you feel more comfortable. The second thing I'd like to point out is all the buttons and everything on the steering wheel. Everything from the radio to your speed controls are right there on the steering wheel, along with the paddle shifter, so you have a little bit of a sporty feel as well. Another thing is that nice large touchscreen radio, which has very clear vision of your backup camera as well. Nice clear screen, so it makes it really easy to use. And above you see the sunroof. Nice sunroof, pretty large. Everyone likes a sunroof. Take a look in the back seat here. The back seat are also heated, as well as the front seat as well. If you come along to the back, you can see that the trunk here is a one-touch open and a one-touch close as well. So you just press the button, the trunk comes up by itself. You do have the third row seats in the back as well. If you take a look under here is really just your storage compartment, nice deep storage compartment. You can kind of like hide like a purse or any important goods under here. You just close it down and out of sight, out of mind. You come over here, press this button, it'll beep letting you know that it's going down, and down it goes. Another thing I like to point out is the wheels. The wheels really go good with this vehicle. It matches, the color looks good, the wheel size looks good. This vehicle all around looks really, really great. And the white, I think, looks very good on this vehicle. So if you have any more questions about this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call at 240-249-6800 and ask for Nick. Thank you.